My bill.
Okay, remember that we do charge $3.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna have to figure a way not to have to do that.
What's the phone number?
954. Actually, it's 42 because that's what it says on the email.
954. Carl. $45.
No, $43.
It's 42 plus a $3 fee that I just told you we charge.
I only have 43.
All right, but we charge 45.
I only have 43.
Then you would have to come back when you have the 45, ma'am. Alright, well, you missed the part where I said that you would have to come back when you have the full amount, because if you don't pay the full amount, they're not going to turn the phone back on.
It's $42, but this is, I'm giving you 43.
Correct, and we charge, it's $42 for your bill, and we charge $3. So that makes it 45.
$40 without it being shut off when I'm paying my bill.
Alright, this is your history of your payments. Last month, you paid, instead of $40, you paid $38 plus a $3 fee. That made it $41. So this month, since you did not pay the full $40, they're going to add those $2 that you owe from last month to this bill. That's why this month, it's $42 for the bill plus the $3 that we charged. So you're looking at $45.
Well, I got 43. Wait a minute, maybe I have a change of $1, but that's it.
Okay, well, I cannot take the payment because otherwise.
You have to take the payment if I'm making a payment.
Well, I can if you want me to, but they're not going to turn on the phone.
What do you mean they're not going to turn on the phone?
Yeah, they're going to turn it off because you're not paying the full amount. You need to pay the full amount for them to
I don't need to be charged. No, I'm paying my full amount of my bill. I only have to pay my bill.
You have to pay your bill and the fee that we have if you want to pay your bill here.
No, don't. I'm tired of getting ripped off. And not having money what I should have.
Well, you know, we go through this every month. This is the third.
Because I don't pay it here every month. I only paid it last month here.
This is the third month you came here.
No, it's not. I only paid it last month because I always paid it at the flea market.
Okay, I don't want to argue with you.
I always pay it at the flea market.
Okay.
Okay, here's 43. Are you going to tell me I'm stupid? I don't know what I'm doing? I always paid it at the flea market except for last month. That's 44.
No.
No.
Ow.
No.
Bite hard.
No. Now, this is why I need to have them, because I'm so sick and tired of getting ripped off. Let's see if we have any more change in here.